What you're seeing isn't a picture. In the early 18th century, on the banks of the James River, Jamestown appeared as a fragile boundary between hope and survival. This is AI Reconstruction, an attempt to recreate Jamestown, Virginia in the early 18th century when history was still unfinished and people lived on the fragile line between hope and collapse. From above, AI Reconstruction takes us slowly across the James River. Large wooden sailing ships are anchored motionless, their tall masts piercing the pale sky. They carried not only immigrants, but also the ambitions, power, and mistakes of Europe
Keep it steady,
to the
lads.
New World.
Right, mind the path.
Below ground,
Watch your step,
a
almost
crude
there.
wooden fort hastily erected. Rows of pointed stakes jut out as a silent warning. This place was never truly safe. Men in 18th century attire move slowly through the mud and decaying wood. There are no children, no laughter, only heavy footsteps, the clang of metal against wood, and the weary breaths of a community struggling to survive. AI Reconstruction doesn't idealize them. It reveals the stark truth. Jamestown wasn't built on glory, but on fear and perseverance. As the perspective slips deeper into the settlement, another world gradually emerges. Wooden thatched houses stand close together,
This way.
thin wisps of smoke rising in the gentle sunlight.
Almost there, man.
Corn is harvested, piled into large heaps,
Sweeping those
and
husks
loaded
into the
onto
cart.
wagons.
We'll need more
The
hands
kernels
for
fall
next
to the
load.
ground with a steady sound,
Find the shelled corn
the
here.
slow rhythm of a young colony. AI Reconstruction vividly recreates every detail. The hands of the laborers stained with dirt,
harvest is
sweat
plentiful.
soaking into
Hey,
their
keep
coarse
stacking them
cloth
high.
shirts.
Mind
The creaking
horse,
of wooden
please.
wheels on the compacted earth.
Watch your step here.
Indigenous people and Europeans appear in the same frame, working together, exchanging food together, but not on the same level. Fragile cooperation conceals simmering tensions and unspoken differences. There are no eloquent speeches, no moments of triumph, only the daily routine of planting, harvesting, repairing houses, and lighting fires, repeated in the anxieties of winter, disease, and conflict. 18th century Jamestown was not the American dream. It was a cruel test of humanity. Thanks to AI Reconstruction, the two scenes, the riverside fort and the working life within, blend into a seamless picture. A place where each day is a negotiation with nature and fate. This is not just history looked back upon. This is history relived, slowly, silently, and hauntingly.
The well is full. Careful with the water. That fence needs a new plank. This tool is dull. Needs more sharpening.
The fence is looking much stronger now.
Yes, the whole village is thriving. The harvest is promising this year. Yes, weather holds. We'll have enough to last through winter.
Looks good.
Just need to smooth this edge.
gotcha. Careful now. Watch your step with that. Over here.
The ship will set sail by noon, ensure all cargo is secured.
Agreed. The tide is favorable. Heave ho, men. Push those barrels harder. Keep it steady, lads. Mind the edge. Almost there, just a bit further. Keep it steady, lads. Mind the edge. Almost there, just a bit further.
Jamestown Church, one of the oldest surviving brick structures in America, was built around 1639 in Jamestown, Virginia. The building is simple yet sturdy, with rough red brick walls weathered by time, reflecting the pragmatic and resilient spirit of the first English settlers. The tall, unadorned square bell tower rises amidst the tranquil natural surroundings, serving more as a spiritual landmark than an ostentatious symbol of
The
power.
horse is ready to go.
In the context of the
Thank you,
17th
John.
and 18th centuries,
Is everything
the
prepared?
church was not
Yes,
only a
all the
place of
textiles
worship,
are here, Thomas.
but also a center of community life, hosting important meetings in colonial Virginia. Surrounding the building is a wooden fence and sandy ground, reminiscent of a fragile Jamestown constantly facing disease, conflict, and harsh weather. Sunlight illuminating the old bricks highlights the marks of time, making the church a silent witness to the formation of North American colonial society. This is not just a religious structure, but also a symbol of human resilience, faith, and ambition in the early history of the United States.